10th Max Chapter 1 Relations and Functions Exercise 1.4. First we see the types of function. Functions have a few types. First you want to understand that one. One function. You read the word one. One means the element one element have a one image. That is a one function. Again I say you understand. One element have a one image, that is a one function. Here see the diagram. Every element in A have a domain. Every element B have a codomain. First you understand that names. A have a domain, B is a codomain. Next another name is A, pre-image. Another name is B, image. So A have a two names, that is a domain and pre-image. B have a two names, that is a codomain and image. First you understand this one clearly. Okay. Here one function means one element have a one image. You see the diagram. The element 1 have a one image, that is a. The element 2 have a one element, namely B. The element 3 have a one element, here D. The element 4 have a one element, that is C. So every element in A have a images. So it is a one function. So one functions mean element have a image, but the image is distinct. Distinct means different. So here distinct element of A have a distinct image in B. So every element in have a image, but the image is distinct. So it is a one function. Next one, many one function. Many one, here many one means many elements have a one image, that is a many one function. Here also you see the diagram. Here in A means already you know, A means domain, B have a codomain. Another name A is pre-image, B is image. Here the element 1, 2 in domain have a same image in B, that is a. So here two elements in A, then element 1, 2 have a same image in B, that name A. So it is a many one function. Many one means the two or more, that is a many. So here two or more elements of A have a same image in B. So it is a many one function. Next one, onto function. Onto functions, you want to see the image. Here you see the diagram. First you see the diagram, then I will explain it. Here A, the element 1, 2, 3, 4. The set B, A, B, C. Here onto function, you see the set B. Here you see the shortly we denoted it range is equal to codomain. That only you want to write in the exam. No need to write the sentence. Here range is equal to codomain. Already you know the range. What is the range? The outcome answer is the range. Outcome answer is range. Here which is the answer? Range is equal to, you see the B matched only ranged. A, B, C, that is a range. Again you see the diagram in the set B, A, B, C, that is a range. So range is equal to A, B, C within the set bracket. Okay, what is the codomain? All the elements in B, that is a codomain. So here the element B is here A, B, C, that is a codomain. So range answer A, B, C, codomain answer A, B, C. So here range is equal to codomain, that is a onto function. So in sentence, every element in B has a pre-image in A. Here the element A have a two pre-image, that is 1 and 2. The element B have a one pre-image, that is C. The element C have a one pre-image, that is 4. We shortly noted it. Range is equal to codomain. Next one, 1 1 and onto function. Here we denoted it bijection. Both 1 1 and onto function shortly you denoted it bijection. 1 1 function already you know. Distinct element have a distinct image. That is a 1 1 function. What is the onto function? Shortly denoted range is equal to codomain. So here see the diagram. It is a bijective function. How to find out? The set A have a 3 elements. That is a 1, 2, 3. The set B have a 3 elements. That is a W, X, Z. First we want to check 1 1 function. Here already you know how to find out 1 1 function. The element in A have a different image in B. Okay, check it. The element 1 have a W. The element 2 have a Z. The element 3 have a X. So every element in A have a distinct image in B. So it is a 1 1 function. Okay, next we want to find out onto function. Already you know range is equal to codomain. Here what is the range? The outcome answer. What is the answer? W, X, Z. It is a range. Okay, next codomain. W, X, Z. It is a codomain. So range is equal to codomain. So clearly it is a onto function also. Next one, into function. Into functions means the elements inside the codomain. That is a into function. You see the diagram here. The element in set A 1, 2, 3, 4. The element in set B A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. Here you shortly noted it range not equal to codomain. How to find out? Already you know range. What is the range? The outcome answer. Here range is equal to A, B, C, D. Okay. Codomain A, B, C, D, E, F. So range answer A, B, C, D only. Codomain answer A, B, C, D, E, F. So these two answer not equal. So range not equal to codomain. That is a into function. In sentence we want to write range of F is proper subset of codomain. Subset means already you know in 9th standard. What is the subset? In every element within the set, that is a subset. Here in the range A, B, C, D inside the codomain. So it is a subset. So you shortly noted range not equal to codomain. So we how many types today you see? 1 1 function, many one function, onto function, next bijection function, next one into function. What is the 1 1 function? Distinct element have a distinct image. That is a 1 1 function. Next many one function. Many elements have a same image. So that is a many one function. What is the onto function? Range is equal to codomain. That is a onto function. What is the into function? Range not equal to codomain. That is a into function. 1 1 and onto function, that is a called bijective. 1 1 already you know, onto already you know. So that is a bijection. Exercise 1.4 first sum. Determine whether the graph given below represent functions. Give reason for your answer concerning each graph. Here 4 subdivision gave. You see first one. This graph is a function or not? We want to find out. Here only in the curve. You want to first find out here function or not. So you draw vertical line in the graph. Here draw vertical line. You see the diagram. In the vertical line, cut the graph. How many points? See the graph. Here 2 points. So in the vertical lines, cut the graph 2 points. You don't see the x-axis, y-axis. You see the graph. Graph means and the curve only. You see the curve only. The vertical line, cut the curve 2 points. So here you see the vertical line intersect the curve at 2 points. So it is not a function. Clearly you understand. Suppose the vertical line intersect only one point, that means it is a function. Two or more points, that is a not a function. So here 2 points intersect, so it is not a function. Next one, here also you draw a vertical line any one side, this side also, the right side or left side. Here you draw the vertical line, you see the curve intersect only one point. The vertical line intersect the curve at one point, so it is a function. Next, third one, here also you draw a vertical line. This vertical line cut the curve 2 points, so it is not a function. Fourth one, here also you draw a vertical line. You see here the line cut the graph at only one point, so it is a function. Next question, second one, let f from a to b a function defined by f of x equal to x by 2 minus 1, where a is equal to 2, 4, 6, 10, 12, b is equal to 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 9. Represent f by set of order pairs, a table, an arrow diagram, a graph. This is a important 5 mark, so you clearly understand this one. Set of order pairs means you want to write the function, put a comma and write within set bracket. A table means you already know tables how to write. An arrow diagram, you see then the example 1 function onto function, that arrow diagram you want to draw. Graph also you know, draw x-axis and y-axis, you point the marks. Here first you noted, given the questions f from a to b, you write a set. A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 10, 12. B is equal to 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 9. Here in the question, f of x equal to x by 2 minus 1. In x means here function start from, here see, f from a to b. So a is a x elements. So you want to substitute. What is the a here? 2, 4, 6, 10, 12. So you want to substitute each element instead of x. So first you substitute 2 in the x place. So 2 by 2 minus 1. Here you cut it 2 by 2, cut it to 1. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Next you substitute 4. 4 by 2 minus 1. Here also you strike out it. 4 by 2 you cancel it. 2. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Next one you substitute 6. 6 by 2 minus 1. You strike out 2 by 6 by 2. 3. 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Next 10. 10 by 2 minus 1. You strike out 2 in 10. 5. So 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Next you substitute 12. 12 by 2 minus 1. 12 by 2 you strike out 6. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. So first you write set of order pairs. First you substitute 2. What outcomes come? 0. So here you write 2 comma 0. Next you substitute 4. What answer? 1. Next 6. Answer came 2. Next you substitute 10. Answer came 4. Next you substitute 12, answer came 5. So you want to write within bracket, put comma inside the set bracket. That is a set of order pair. You must put the set bracket. Next one, a table. Here you write x, y. In the top you write x, 2, 4, 6, 10, 12. Y already you know, outcome answer. You put 2, you write here answer 0. So 4, 1, 6, the answer will come 2. 10 substitute, the answer will come 4. Substitute in 12, the answer will come 5. Next one, arrow diagram. Arrow diagram already you know. Here you write x. In the question, x means a. You write all the elements in a. 2, 4, 6, 10, 12. Next to y. You write all the elements in b. So B have a the element 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 9. So that is a elements B. So you want to match it. How to match? You see the set of order pair 2, 0. So here you draw a line 2 to 0. Next one 4, 1. So here you draw 4 to 1. Next one 6, 2. So you draw 6 to 2. Next 10, 4. So you draw 10 to 4. Next 12, 5. So you draw 12 to 5. Next one a graph. A graph you want to draw, must you want a point. Here already you know the point 2, 0. So here you mark 2, 0, 4, 1, 6, 2, 10, 4, 12, 5. So you mark the points. Question number 3. Represent the function f is equal to 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4. Through an arrow diagram, a table form, a graph. Here set of all order pairs already gave the questions. In the last sum, you find out the set of order pair. First, but here set of order pair already gave the question. So you simply you draw the diagram. First arrow diagram. Arrow diagram you draw here. First one you want to write in the top x, y. Here didn't write, but you want to write in the top x and y. So here you write in the, you see the function first place is here, you want to write in the x. So here you see in first place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next in place 2, 2, 2. 3 times the 2 comes first, but you write only one time 2. Next 3, 4. So you write here 3, 4. The element 1, 2, 3 have same image 2. So you match here 1 to 2, 2 to 2, 3 to 2. Next 4, 3. So 4 to 3. Next 5, 4. So you draw a line from 5 to 4. That is an arrow diagram. Next a table. X, Y you want to mention. The element x have you know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The elements y have a second place 2, 2, 2, 3, 4. Next graph also you want to know the points. Here know the points. What is the point? You see the question 1, 2. So you mark in the graph 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4. Next question number 4. Show that the function f from n to n. N means that is a natural number. You know what is the natural number? The natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Defined by f of x equal to 2x minus 1. Here function gives in what is 2x minus 1. You check the answer here is 1, 1 but not on 2. So here you show that the function it is 1, 1 but not on 2. Already you know what is the 1, 1? Distinct element A have a distinct image in B. That is a 1, 1 function. What is the onto function? Range is equal to codomain. That is a onto function. Okay, we will see. First you write in the given the question f from n to n. F of x equal to 2x minus 1. You want to substitute a few numbers in x. Which number we want to substitute? Here you see n to n. So first n. N means natural number. The number will be start from 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So you want to substitute here 1. N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. You want to substitute first 1. So 2 into 1 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Next you want to substitute 2. So 2, 2. 2 into 2 minus 1 equal to 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 1 equal to 3. Next you substitute 3. 2 into 3 6. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Next you substitute 4. 2 into 4, 8, 8 minus 1, 7, etc. You want to find out only 4. Is it enough? So, f of x equal to here 1. You substitute 1, the answer will come 1. You substitute 2, the answer will come 3. You substitute 3, the answer will come 5. you substitute 4, the answer will come 7, etc. You want to write within the set bracket. Next we want to check the answer, that is 1 1 and not onto. You see the diagram. First you want to check the 1 1 and not onto type. You want to must draw the arrow diagram. Next you find out easily which type. Here in A, first domain. Domain means first n to n. So n here 1 2 3 4 5 etc. Next codomain means here also n. N means 1 2 3 4 5 etc. But here 1 comma 1. So 1 to 1, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 5, 4 comma 7, 5 comma 9 etc. But here it is a 1 1 function. How to find out? In distinct element in domain have a distinct image in codomain. In first diagram is a domain, second diagram is a codomain. In every element in domain have a different image in codomain. So it is a 1 1 function. You learn this only one sentence. Is it enough to all the questions? The distinct elements of a domain have a distinct image in codomain. So it is 1 1 function. What is the onto function? Range equal to codomain. That is a onto function. Here see, range means coming answer. So here 1 3 5 7 9. That is a range. Okay, codomain. Codomain means here the set, second set means n to n. So n are natural numbers. So here codomain 1 2 3 4 5 etc. So range answer 1 3 5 7 9. Codomain answer 1 2 3 4 5 6 etc. So range is equal to 1 3 5 7 9. Codomain is equal to 1 2 3 etc. So range equal to codomain? No, range not equal to codomain. So it is not onto function. So clearly we know that f of x is 1 1 function but not onto function. Next question number 5. Here show that the function f from n to n defined by f of m is equal to m square plus m plus 3 is 1 1 function. Here you want to show only one function. It is a 1 1 function. Here also the set domain is a n, codomain also n. N means natural number start from 1 to 3 etc. Here you want to substitute first 1. So 1 square plus 1 plus 3 equal to 5. Next substitute 2. 2 square plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 9. Next substitute 3, 4 etc. So here you see the diagram and find out the answer. In a domain having the element natural number 1 2 3 4, codomain in the coming answer 5 9 15 23. So every element in domain have a distinct or different image in codomain. So it is a 1 1 function. So here codomain, what is the codomain? That is a n 1 2 3 etc. Range 5 9 15 23. So range equal to codomain here? No, range not equal to codomain. Already you know the type. It is not equal to, so it is not onto function. Next question number 6. Let A is equal to 1 2 3 4 and B is equal to n. N means natural number. Already you know many sums 1 2 3 4 etc. Here let A, f from A to B be defined by f of x equal to x cube. Then find the range of f. Range means already you know coming answer. Identify the type of function. If you want type of function, you draw the arrow diagram. Here first you substitute in the f of x equal to x cube. You want to substitute a value. F of x equal to x cube. First you substitute 1. 1 cube is equal to 1. 2 cubes equal to 8. 3 cubes equal to 27. 4 cubes equal to 64. That is enough because a is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 only. So here f of answer is range is equal to 1, 8, 27, 64. That is enough. Next you want to find out type of function. How to type of function? Easily. The answer is 1, 8, 27, 64. Every answer is different. So different image, it's a one function. It is one function and into function.